Grounding and stability is really, really important. Having that solitude time for yourself is going to be extremely important. You know, that Native American energy is coming in very strongly as well too. And I am very connected. I feel very strongly that I have been connected to in past lives to the Navajo tribe, right? And so Native American energy is coming in very, very strongly right now to protect your energy. It's very, very strongly. I also want to bring in the sense that I want you to get these, right? Because it's really, really important. And I'm going to tell you why. So the first one is lavender. And as you can see, I'm wearing purple right now. This is a very powerful color for me right now because I'm very, very connected to spirit